Should I be in a 10 that justifies a person who is not present in the lessons and he thinks that there is no need for a framework?
You have to scrutinize that. A 10 who lets a friend miss lessons without any serious justification, I don't understand how they exist, how they hope to reach the revelation of the Creator. This is something to scrutinize. I cannot answer that. Maybe they're right in their attitude towards Him for the time being, but for that to be a law in a 10, where each one comes or doesn't come whenever he wants, they're not going to make it. I mean, they can exist like that, but they will not have the right advancement. Maybe the Creator will arrange for them some blows, something to be more serious, more connected.
Да, еще вопрос по поводу того, что Рабаш пишет.
Another question about what Rabash writes. The two friends come, and one of them drills a hole. What does it mean to drill a hole in the tent?
He doesn't recognize the principle, whereby everyone has to care for one another. And he's saying, I'm drilling a hole underneath me, and not underneath you. He doesn't feel that by that he's bringing spiritual death to the other friend. It has to be a very sharp sensation that if I, during the day, the whole thought of the Creator, of unity, of the purpose of life, by that I'm drilling a hole and I'm drowning my entire 10 into the depth of the ego. But this is it's slowly. It's not right away. There are some severe things here. But you have to nevertheless start thinking in that direction, that a lack of unity, even to a small extent, can bring about social disaster for us. And it's not just in one 10, it affects the other 10s because we're all interconnected. That's along the way. It will come later.